up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually on the road right now. I had to hastily get into my car and drive. I'm on my way in the beginning of a 6-hour round trip drive. This will be for the Charger. Obviously, this is a Procharger kit. I would make it a surprise, but it's going to be the title of the video, so there's really no point. I'm getting a Procharger kit. I'm getting an absolute steal on this. I guess we're just along for the ride. It'll be about another 5 hours of driving, so let's go, baby. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the P-1SC-1 Supercharger kit for the 06 to 10 Dodge Charger. This is specifically for the Charger. The intercooler varies depending on what model you have, whether it be the 300 or the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And I guess I can throw you guys some specs. The max supercharged horsepower out of this is rated at 825 horsepower. The max flow of CFMs is 1200. We have max boost at 32 psi, an inlet hose diameter of 3 3/4, the inducer diameter of 3.37 inches. What else do we see here? We have the max impeller RPM of 65,000 RPMs, and there is reverse rotation availability, I guess is what that says. I don't know, it's self-contained oiled, as well as a 6-ounce oil capacity. So this kit obviously comes with a whole lot of stuff, and I do have to piece this together. This is about a $7,000 kit, brand new, and I ended up walking away with this for $3,500. There are a couple things that are missing, or not a couple, but there's one. Apparently this hose was just cut off instead of taken off. It seems pretty lazy to me, but it is what it is. The guy that I bought it from didn't actually install this. He had bought it from somebody that took it off. I looked thoroughly through this, and so as you can see in here, so one thing that you really want to look for is oil buildup in the intercooler. That would mean that they have a leaking supercharger, or just didn't run a catch can. And as you can see, there is, I don't know, on camera you can't really tell, but there really isn't very much buildup and very little of it. But what I do know is that these filters and this entire kit in general was neglected. The previous owner, or the first person that owned it, had really just kind of thrown this together, and I can't imagine spending this much money on something that is just thrown together. Like, as you can see, what is this? This is a zip-tied intake air temperature sensor. That's ridiculous. That's embarrassing, rather. So that's definitely going to have to change. I do need to buy the manual for this. Not that I can't figure this out, but just for torque specs and just to make sure I know where everything goes. I don't want to put everything together, and this is something very serious that if you mess up could cost your entire engine. So it did come with oil, as you can see here. All these bolts are absolutely disgusting. This kit, I mean, I got what I paid for. I paid $3,500 for a supercharger kit. It's going to need some work, but the major thing is that the majority of it is here, if not 95% of it is here. It's recommended. He recommended to get a new filter, but I have filter cleaning products, and we'll see what that does, because there's no way this is that old. It's just very neglected. As you can see, we have a blow-off valve here. I don't really like that setup where it's just on a rubber 90. It is what it is, but I'll have to get a vacuum line here. This will be for a boost gauge, I believe. But other than that, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm super stoked. I actually did not plan on buying this at all. It was just a great deal that came up on Facebook Marketplace, and I had to jump on it. I had the extra money, and a kit like this goes for $6 grand. And even used, they go all the way up, all the way to low as high as around $5 grand. So to see this for $3,500, I did have to drive 6 hours round trip. But that being said, I saved so much money in the long run. But that also means that, oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys this. I bought Hellcat injectors. That's all my stuff my girlfriend got me. But Hellcat injectors are completely useless to me, because I need like about 70 to 80 pound an hour injectors, and those are 57. So I guess that's that. If you guys have any questions, seriously, shoot away. I love answering comments, and the feedback just really helps a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, I'm kind of rambling on. But any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to let them go. If you even want to bash me, let me know, because I love to hear constructive criticism as well. So, again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Mojo, and I'll see you later. Peace.